Hi everyone, I have another Beebeecraft order. This is the unboxing for it. I didn't realize that's what it was when it came in. So I had already taken it out of the box. Alright, let me sit down here. The first thing I got were these mushroom charms. Everyone knows I love mushrooms. And I like to use them in my fairy journals. And I have a mushroom journal for sale. I like to do those, and I'm sure for my goblin journal that I keep talking about, I will use some. So I'll show you the different kinds because I think we have different kinds in here. Let me see what we got. Sorry for my stuffy little nose. It's kind of annoying. Oh, that's one. Ooh, that one. So it looks like we got three different kinds. I'm just double checking first. Yeah, it looks like we have three different kinds of the mushroom charms. So if I had to pick one, I would pick this one that I like the best. But they're all pretty cool. So that's what I got. And this time I just got a lot of dies. Don't you love that everything comes packaged already? It's great. And if anyone's interested, the links will be down below. Make sure to put the code Petey10 for 10% off your entire order. I know someone did an order, and Diane, if you're watching this, if you did the order, right, I would email them and see if you can still use the code. I've gotten this crow stamp set, and Bex and I had gotten an order around the same time, and she had just showed hers last week, and I was like, Bex, I got that too. So I got these cool crows. I got this tree because I know in paper crafting, like, I have, there was a couple of prompts for trees, and I figured this would be cool because here's the tree, and then you get all these kind of leaves that you can punch out at one time and stick on the tree. I love that. I love when dies come, a big set of stuff, so that you're not taking one die or two dies and going repeatedly over and over and over again with the die cut machine. I hate that. I mean, there's not tons here, but this is way better, than just one of each or two of each. And we got the cute pumpkins over here. So I thought that was cute. So I don't know what I'm going to do a video on, but we'll see. I have some lanterns here and the candles. So I could possibly show a video on that too. Not sure. And then lastly, we have this dome. It's a, hey, what do you call those things? I don't know. You know what I mean. It's like a big glass dome, like the glass domes. And then it's got all the pieces for the mushrooms and some greenery in there. And I think that's a crystal right there. So that'll be fun to put together. I didn't realize it was that big, though. It's pretty big. I'll tell you the measurement on it. Yeah, it's 8 by 5, so that's a big die. That's a big die. And these lantern ones are like almost 5.5 by 3. This one's 5.5 by 2, and this one's almost not quite 5.5 by 3. And then, you get some greenery here as well, some stars, a flame. You know, and then you have another piece over here. You got, these are the candles and the wax. Okay, so you have that too. So that'll be fun to play around with. So that's what I got for the unboxing. Remember the code Petey10. It'll be down below with the links. If you don't want any of these, but you want to shop, feel free to shop around on the site. And if there's something you like, just make sure my code's in there so you get the discount. All right. So I'll be making, the next couple of weeks, I'll be making some goodies with these. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, but, you know, I'll make something and I'll share it with you guys. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.